Can you believe this multimedia space? Look at it. It is totally mobile. Everything here moves. The lessons board move. The tables move. They fold up and go in the corner. Tables fold down, roll out, can be set up anywhere. You can do filmmaking, teaching. You can even set up an instant cafe because they have food and drinks here. This place is amazing. There are 3 projectors here on the ceiling, cinema lights, live streaming. Look at these. That's my presentation, but look, this company has multiple logos here, and I can sit here and change between them at the touch of a button. Isn't that amazing? Isn't this room amazing? And guess what? They call it the Walt Disney Room. Can you get over that? This is like a space that I built in Tbilisi, Georgia 12 years ago for IREX called the Multimedia Education Center. It was the same concept. It's all built around the mobile lifestyle. Well done. Well done, Rus Media. Servus, hello, and welcome from Austria. This is Rob Montgomery with the Smart Film School. And this is actually an LED screen, the largest LED screen you'll find in this country. And this is where they do live TV. And it's just really high-end design, beautiful spend, well thought out productions. And it looks like they're having a lot of fun in this studio. And what's really cool is like, it's an open studio. You know, most TV studios you go into, they're like hermetically sealed. This is a friendly atmosphere. You can get coffee, you can get beer. Look, the guys over here will edit your video, they'll run your sound, and they'll even wash your dishes. It's unlike any TV studio I have ever seen. Prost.